Red ibis. Menagerie is a word whose meaning is known but not to be trusted. When I say menagerie, I see glasses of cut blue light from which no one is drinking. Your hands which did not and do not belong to me. Wild animals, yes, but fixed, swaddled and tarred, things a child might play with. In an alpine garden, you crushed my mouth with a stone. I swallowed my teeth, thinking this is what must be done to make the stones stony again. The taste of earth is nothing like a body, its conspicuous lack of salt. The stone was your mouth on my mouth. The stone was a very old word, unspeakable. You stood close and I stood close. I watched the red ibis maneuver through the grasses, close but not touching these hard-colored animals. Remember that first day in Paris? There were parades, streets full of brown bodies and bright costumes. I followed you for the first time home. Love is a lurid thing. The first day we moved quickly through the bustle. The rest was covetous crawling. You undressed me in view of an open window, though you remained clothed. My nipples hardened under your appraisal. Stories tell me there's a heart underneath. The plumage is ostentatious because nature is ostentatious. The fanning of something I felt inwardly, shyly. Scarlet wings dipped in ink. Could the red ibis disappear if it wanted to? One can be everywhere if one can go unseen. We had rules about touching. One morning you taught me to fold paper cranes, those neat creases, a reprieve from skin. A bird in the palm says stillness is a talent. You can own a person through deprivation. You'd think only dogs could hunger like that. By love, I mean anything that plays at delicacy when it is really brutality. When beauty is too raw to live with, the poet can turn to aesthetics. Does my stillness take the shape of the room or the shape of my body? Does the red ibis hate its cage? The bars keep those pale, staring people out. I pressed my ear to your chest, listening for the thing stories have told of. I imagine the forms it might take. A stone older than words, the eggs of prehistory, a pit in the fruit from which everything comes. Upon further consideration, a flightless bird, a bruise on the bone.